Hi everyone, I'm Amy.
And I'm Mandy, and this is what's happening for the week of June 19th at the Fitchburg Senior Center.
Mandy, what's going on?
Hey, we are closed on the 19th in observance of Juneteenth. It is now a city-sponsored holiday, so do not come on the 19th.
Yeah.
If you are looking for some clues on how to do some preventative maintenance, there's going to be a lecture on Thursday at 1 o'clock with Matthew Voit from the Golden Home Management team. And he's going to give you some ideas and tips on how to get your house ready.
Nice.
Yeah, I know. Mm-hmm. Hey, don't forget, you can join Tai Chi with Khiang on Thursday mornings. It's just a drop-in. Come on in. It's great for your balance, so give it a try. And Khiang is amazing.
How much is it?
It's a drop-in, but the suggested donation is like $4, I think.
Oh, that's really great.
That's a great
Cheaper
deal.
than any other class I know of.
Me too. Amy, what do you know? What's happening
Well,
this week?
the travel show is coming on June 20th, and find out where you could go this year. Maybe Holland, Michigan, the Mackinac Island.
Oh, I want to go there.
Montana, Yellowstone. Be there to find out more at 1 o'clock.
Nice.
And then solo agers. I don't know if you guys have all caught my articles that I've been writing about solo aging, but there are a lot of you. And the first thing I can say, the most important thing is be intentional. In a recent study, it says it takes 90 hours to make a real friend, and it goes on up from there. So that's a lot of effort. So be intentional, people. And then heads up, the Winging It program has been canceled on the 29th. It's done. Unfortunately, our presenter Bev Davis is unable to do it this month, but they are looking for times in August. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll get a new date on the books. And then Michael's Musicals used to be on Friday, but now are on Wednesdays. And this Wednesday it is Sing You Sinners.
Ooh, that sounds kind of naughty.
Yeah. So
I like it.
That's really great. So all you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Peace.